Transforming India's energy, one solar panel at a time. Meet GreenX India, your trusted partner in revolutionizing renewable energy solutions across the nation. Based in Tamil Nadu, we serve clients from bustling metropolises to serene rural areas, providing customized solar and wind energy solutions. Imagine this, your business running smoothly, powered entirely by clean renewable energy. No more hefty electricity bills, no more carbon footprint guilt, just pure green power. Sounds amazing, right? At GreenX India, we take care of everything, from the initial assessment of your power needs to the final installation and maintenance. Our services include DPR preparation, land identification and aggregation, solar panel and inverter finalization, capacity planning, and even establishing power purchase agreements. We've got you covered. Whether you need a small 3 kilowatts rooftop solar setup or a massive 100 MW ground-mounted solution, we tailor our services to fit your unique needs. Our commitment to excellence and innovation ensures you get the most efficient and cost-effective energy solutions, and it doesn't stop there. We believe in supporting local communities by sourcing materials and labor locally and engaging in community projects. Our goal is to create a sustainable future for all. So, are you ready to join the green revolution? With GreenX India, the power of the sun and wind is at your fingertips. Let's create a brighter, cleaner, and greener future together. GreenX India, excellence in renewable energy infrastructure services in India. Power your future sustainably.